Hi, we've put the pots inside the oven now. They are baking. You can see them there. There you go. See a little bit. So that'll keep the heat in. And hopefully they'll be nicely. I might have to turn them round. But yeah, put them in. Jackie's there in the living room. Hopefully. It's definitely hot. It's burning my hand. Yeah.
Nice one.
Hopefully.
How long do you reckon we'll need? Maybe we should leave
Just
them in
until the fire
overnight.
goes out. Yeah. We'll see. This is just the first attempt though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be amazed if that works.
Well, if I would have brought a thermometer, then I could have been a bit more scientific about it. But yeah, I think it's successful.
Yeah.
But I'm the positive type.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Well, I just can't wait to see what they're going to come out like.
we've got some dinner as well. Some boiled weeds.